Hey guys, I'm back. This is the Elgato Game Capture, and we here have the new headsets. Now, sit down. Probably bring this down a bit closer. Chuck the thong under there, and the thong is a shoe, okay? Flip-flops for those Americans out there. Okay, so get this open. Okay, so I chuck that over there, and by the looks of things it just pulls out from the side here, I think. Is that how it works? Oh, here we go. How it comes. Okay, so here we have, open it up. Okay, we here have the game capture. It's actually quite small. It's in my hand, so get pop this here for now. Okay, so let's probably hear my fan really loudly. Open this up. Chuck this down here. Okay, so obviously you're going to stand there like that. You got HDMI output and USB input, and here we have a HDMI input and then AV input. So yeah, looks really good. That's it. Curves. So you got, there's the bottom. So it stands there like that. Just gonna put this up here. Okay. And have a look. What's in here? Got some little bit of information on how to get started. Check that up there for now. It will. Let's open up. It opens up this way, I think. Oh, there we go. Okay. Okay, so we got. Okay, so this is the USB input. Get this out quickly. And put it there. So this is the USB input. The hole up here, that would fit into that. And then you got USB there. So actually just gonna pop it there now. So just untake this. So, oh, this is actually a long cord. So, well, that's longer than my arm length, this cord. So, that's actually pretty good. I will just pop this up here there. Oh, we've got some more cords. Oh, this is the AV input. So, open this guy up. Oh, I hate these kind of things. I'll be right back. I'm just going to grab some scissors. Okay, I'm back. We'll just put that out of the way quickly. Stick that there. Okay, this should open easier now. And okay, here we go. Pull this out of the package. Okay, just unwind this up. Just check that over there. So this is the AV input, so you can record the Wii. So there we go. There's the, so that would go in. And okay, there we go. We've got like a cover for this. So just put that cover back on. Put the cord up here. We got a HDMI input by those things. Gonna set this again. These scissors are so bad, but at least they do the job. Okay. So, okay, here we go again. So the Elgato Game Capture was $199, and $199 for the Elgato Game Capture. So US HDMI import. Is that it? Yep, HDMI goes in there, and you've got another end for the HDMI. So shove that cable up there, nice and gently. Oh, that slips out. Okay. Oh no. So wait. Oh, this is the AV input. Okay, so this is the AV input. So this is what you would use for the Wii. But then, what's this then? What's this one then? Oops. What's it lazy? We've got two. Okay, then we've got two AV inputs. For some reason, I've got no idea why, but it's important for a reason. Okay, so that is the Elgato. Nice little case and box. And so, just put the Elgato here quickly. I'll slip this back in here. Put that there. Bring this over the side. Put it behind me. Take this off here because I don't need to grab that. Everything's very different. Okay, let's put this here. You guys can have a nice look at that in the meantime. Okay, now, here we go. So, turn it around. Okay, I think this is going to open now. Will it? Open! Sorry, fan. Oh, okay, here we go. This time it's going to open. Okay, right, I'm just gonna... Okay, I think I've got to open now. Will this open now? No, it won't. Why? Oh, no wonder why. Okay, I have to... Oh man, I hate these things. Oh god. We'll get that in there. Slip that out. Slip out. Okay, there we go. We'll go to the other side. Get out. And, okay, there we go. So, there we go. Okay. Open this up. I think I did that up. Yeah, I did. I brought that out upside down, I think. Okay. So, we'll put, there's something, okay, instruction manual, well, things. Put the box up there. Okay, instruction manual can go up there for now. Got some cords here. Where's the? Oh, yeah. What's this for? Okay. Ooh, I've got no idea what this is for at all. Oh, there's something else in there. What's this? Okay, I think I know what this one's. Yeah, I know what that one's for. Okay, that's what I use to put in the mic. I'll put that up there. I don't know what this one's for though. You've got like some inputs here, we've got another input thing here, and then you've also got some inputs here for like PC. Oh, I think you can like swap it all around and everything. This might be like Xbox One and stuff. You got like Xbox 360 and got PC and stuff. Okay. Open this up. Take these green bits here off. Okay. So we'll undo this. Okay. Oh, that's a very long cord. That's what she said. Sorry guys. Okay, here we go. So we unravel this. Oh god, they've twisted and everything. Okay, this goes under here. Okay, that's very long. That's way too long for me. We've got, we'll pull the, okay, so, oh god. Okay, bring that out. And then, this can't, my leg. I can go there. How do I get this out? Okay, there we go. So, we put that behind me. Okay, there we go. So, put that there. This video is going to be a bit long. Okay, here we go. So, we've got the game volume and we've got the chat volume and we've got bass boost. What's that? We've got nuke mic and, okay, mute, not nuke. Okay, so, so we got the headset. Oh, this is very nice. Whoa, surround system. Okay, so that's the mic. So how does this work? So we've got different inputs. But what are these for? And so we've only got like one input here. We're gonna have to have a look at the instructions manual. But okay, so yeah, this is very nice. So got the get. So all up is. Oh, so the mic here is oh, how much was it? Oh, here we go. Oh, okay, I think I just figured out what this is for. You plug that into that, and then you bring this over, and then I've got no idea what this is for now. Oh, you plug this in there? No. You plug that in there? No. You plug that into that? Nope. And that doesn't work either. So I'm confused on what to do right now. There's a big cord in front of me. Oh god. So would that plug into that? Nope. What about that goes into that? No. Okay. Well, right now I'm lost on what to do. I've got no idea. Does that go into that? No, this doesn't go anywhere. But oh well. I'll show you that. Go away. Go away. I'll show you guys it when it's all properly working and I know what I'm doing. Okay guys, I have got it all set up. It took a while. Okay, so I was looking at this one here at first and I'm thinking what and how. But then I came over to this one here, which made more sense. So we got here. Okay. So you got the headset there. This comes along to this. Okay, so that. So you got this one. Oh, go away, cord. Just have to hold that there. Okay. So this one here goes to the mic, this one here goes to the Xbox. So you can actually hear the game through the headset as well. So the mic one here comes up and into the controller here. That's all it is. But then this one here, it comes along, goes up, into here. It goes over there, there's like a little point over there. It comes to here, plugs into the Xbox. And then it goes to the back, and there's like a green cord plugged into the back of the Xbox as well. So I've got that out of the way. Okay, now, what I have to do now is actually do that one. So I've got the headset out of the way. So yay! I'm gonna have to plug everything back in. I had to plug that out and take the disc out, everything. So yes, bye bye. I mean, I don't know. Okay, I have got the Elgato all set up as well. Okay, so we got it connected to my PC here using a USB port. The cable comes down here, around there, and to the Elgato right here, and which I'll place nicely behind my keyboard. And then you got the HDMI cable there, so that's the computer. That you got HDMI, it goes around the back of my TV, comes back up to connect right, I don't think you can see it, right here, right there. So in here, HDMI, so yeah. Okay, so happy gaming to me, and I hope that you guys like the, oh god, it's bright out there. I hope you guys like the new videos that I'm going to be giving out, so yeah.